Hello and welcome to another edition of Jamaica Magazine. I'm Adrian Atkinson, your guide for this enlightening journey. Stay with us. There's much more ahead to inform, inspire, and uplift.
Are you living on or in possession of family land? Do you want to sell or subdivide the property? Use eLand Jamaica to search for details on the property. You can complete a title search and verify the owner before you sell the property. If your name does not appear on the title, register the land or clarify the existing title in your name before you sell. A title is a notice to the world of your ownership of land. For more information, contact the National Land Agency at 876-750-5263 or 876-946-5263. The National Land Agency, one goal to serve you better.
Thanks for staying with us right here on Jamaica Magazine. The moving experiences of our fellow Jamaicans in the aftermath of the recent devastating hurricane continue to echo across the nation. Today we share another perspective, this time from vendors in an area known simply as Border.
No dirty, no depend, no money. A Jamaican proverb that means no honest work is beneath you. A reminder that any legitimate hustle is respectable. While conditions in St. Elizabeth are less than ideal for vendors in an area we know as Border, where St. Elizabeth meets Westmoreland, the hustle continues, even after Hurricane Melissa left devastation in its wake.
My name is Sandy. I work at Border, I already fry fish and bami, soup, whatever. The weather that passed, the storm that passed blows everything. Our home is gone, our stalls are gone, everything is gone. So because we have to try, we have to still try to survive. Yes, that's why we are out here. We can't give up.
Boy, God know you know rough, you know. Rough. Nah, lie you. See how me a sweat. Out of door, me sleep at night time too, you know. Sometime in my car. Yes, mama, food there. You want dumpling in there too? Alright, we put food in there. Yes, father, me nah lie you know good, the ugly. Oh, scratch up, sir. Like sardine. And now mash up sardine to eat with bread. But mother and daughter them place mash up and for me place mash up.
Even those who once sold in comfort now face nights in their cars, trying to stay close to what's left of their livelihood.
It's my fish shop.
Alright, so tell me about your stall before and after.
Right, so my stall was located off this section, Colette and Pauline Fish Shop. We're at Border between St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. It is all gone. Our home is gone as well. So we are just here now seeking help of who can assist us in any form or way to regain back something, whatever it is, something.
I am Pauline.
Yes.
And this is where I occupy here. There's nothing left here. See, I have to under my umbrella.
Under umbrellas and open skies, they fry fish, boil soup, and rebuild. One plate at a time.
I'm Sheila, living in First Grove District. Well, we have a big losses. My two brothers lose his home. Well, my home get damaged, lose a lot of things, flood out. So many things, but we have to give God thanks. Life is abundantly. Yeah, lose everything. Every stall out here we lose. Every stall. See, end of the sun out. I don't know I'm going to manage. I have my little fish in the fridge. I'd have to buy some expensive ice to put on them to come and get them to see if I can sell them out.
Fire, where are you? I pack up the place, boss, and set up back the shed them, make the place nice, you know.
Is that your place?
Not really, just a little worker, you know. See lady here, so this is a lady place, but just a help out situation, see Jamaica.
How your place?
Well, he flat the boss, he split up, underwater, everything wet up, mash up, done. Right long the thing that went nice with the clothes, the people give me clothes more every boss. You know. I tell you, food again, nothing buy food in the hurricane and yeah, wash me.
One hand can't clap. We need each other, especially in times of struggle.
You see how some lose my boss? Everything for me. Everything in it, everything gone. And right now, 6 feet in me, right now I go 7. I'm a hard working man, make sure everything so.
Each man doing what he can, rebuilding stalls, salvaging scraps, and holding the line between despair and determination.
Well, we're just trying to recover from the bits and pieces. We bring in some and they still mash up. So like this one now, that one there, you can see all around the place here, mash up. So we try to pick up some.
Yeah.
We can't fit back, we fit back. We don't reach at sea as yet. Okay. But some other guys reach and them said nothing there.
Me said 10 roll away I see, and not even one no leave. That's 50 pot and one no leave. Me just have come from here and not even one no leave. Everything finished. Everything gone. My house will blow down with me children then. Yeah. Me have 2 kids. Me get 2 kids and the house blow down. Right now I don't have nowhere to put them. I have to just pick up something and just knock up something to get them in.
From land to sea, Borders people are battered, yet they remain busy, selling, frying, fixing, hustling, because survival here is a full-time business. With disaster recovery underway nationwide, the Toll Authority of Jamaica has activated a revised toll access protocol. Relief vehicles now fall into 2 categories: unconditional access and conditional access. Unconditional access. This includes organizations listed by the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management (ODPEM), members of parliament, government ministers, and their assigned security teams. Vehicles in this category do not need to apply. Drivers must simply present official work identification at the toll booth. The conditional access category includes government ministries, departments and agencies, registered charities, individual volunteers, and unregistered groups. Travelers under this category must apply online via the Toll Authority's website. Applicants must complete the toll relief application form and await approval before traveling. Approved motorists will need to show valid ID at the toll plaza. However, only Class 3 vehicles, those over 1.7 meters in height and 5.5 meters in length, carrying verified relief supplies will qualify for toll-exempt travel. Persons transporting smaller items are encouraged to coordinate with established relief efforts. For conditional access applications, have the following details ready: date of travel, organization name and authorized contact information, vehicle make or model and license plate numbers, driver's full name and license number, toll corridors to be used, destination or communities being served, security escort details if applicable. For conditional access applications, send requests to toll.authority@mtw.gov.jm, jerome.palmer@mtw.gov.jm, or by phone at 876-929-5119 or 876-929-6393. Approvals will be processed within 9 hours or less. Together, we're ensuring a faster, safer recovery for all Jamaicans.
Some of us are differently abled, and every effort to foster inclusion matters. The government has taken the step forward with the launch of a mobile app for persons with disabilities, allowing them to access government services with ease.
Bus and taxi fare for going a town. Whole heap of waiting time. We are indeed honored to be able to serve the community through digital services. The official launch of the Jamaica Council for Persons with Disabilities mobile application and management information system, a bold step in digital inclusion and service delivery for persons with disabilities in Jamaica. This launch is not just about technology. It's about empowerment, accessibility, and transforming how we connect people to the services they deserve.
According to the World Health Organization estimates, approximately 400,000 persons with disabilities live in Jamaica, about 15% of the overall population. As of July 29, 2025, the JCPD database reveals that only 17,673 persons with disabilities are registered, and 30,809 applications so far processed through the system. This means that only about 4.4% of Jamaica's estimated population of persons with disabilities are currently registered with the JCPD, something the agency is looking to change with the launch of its I Am Able mobile app.
This digital transformation is a critical step towards closing that gap and ensuring that more individuals can be registered to enable them to access the services and support that you deserve. The JCPD has long served as a cornerstone of support and advocacy for persons with disabilities across Jamaica. However, with several service inefficiencies, and you know what I'm talking about, inability to reach the majority of our clients, we recognize the growing need for a modern, efficient, and accessible service delivery.
Made possible through an investment by UNICEF Jamaica, the system promises grand changes for those living with disabilities in the country.
This system ensures that children with disabilities are properly registered, recognized, and supported, starting from birth and continue through their early years of education. By digitizing and connecting social services, Jamaica is not only improving efficiency, but also promoting greater fairness and inclusion for some of our most vulnerable young citizens.
The app will allow individuals to register or renew their status with the JCPD from their mobile phones, upload documents such as TRNs and medical certificates, and track their application in real time, reducing approval time from 30 days to just minutes. It also facilitates applying for grants, tax exemptions, and assistive devices, as well as ID cards, parking stickers, and letters.
Jamaica should be proud, as we are highlighting that what is possible when policy, purpose, and partnership converge.
We are making it crystal clear that technology is not to be placed on a shelf. Technology is to be used for the benefit. It is to serve everyone, especially the vulnerable who will benefit the most from it. But the responsibility is to take that technology and bring it closer to the people who need to use it.
It helps you to put in all the information that you need for doctor bill, transportation, health issue, travel issue, everything that you needed. That app contains all of those information once you put them in.
My JCPD app is a game changer in that for persons who are blind or visually impaired in particular, I see where it will allow them to be independent in terms of a registration process, in terms of a follow-up process.
With the introduction of this digital platform, we are not just establishing innovation, we are expanding access, breaking down barriers, and opening new frontiers in service delivery. The I Am Able My JCPD system is more than just a technological upgrade. It is a statement that every Jamaican, regardless of disability, deserves access to efficient, transparent, and responsive services. It is also a tool for empowerment, ensuring that persons with disabilities can engage with the JCPD and the wider society with greater independence and dignity.
We are imploring members of the public to only purchase from reputable shops, meat shops, supermarkets. Look for the signs of rotten carcasses, meats, poultry, whenever you're purchasing. Do the smell test. Smell test never loses. Look on the coloration of these meats to ensure that you're consuming inspected meats that were slaughtered in a government registered slaughterhouse and inspected by the public health inspectors.
Don't let stolen, spoiled, or contaminated meats enter your kitchen or the food chain.
The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin will be conducting the 2025 Jamaica Survey of Living Conditions JSLC starting August 2025. For over 30 years, PIOJ analysis of JSLC data has helped to shape national policy, including on education, healthcare, and social support. When the JSLC team visits your home, participate. Your voice helps guide real solutions. For more information, visit statinja.gov.jm or WhatsApp Statin at 876-569-1083.
He brought rhythm and refinement to Jamaica's early music scene. Count Owen, the entertainer, the innovator and cultural icon, was recently honored with the Order of Distinction in the officer class. Here's a spotlight on his musical journey.
This year, Jamaica celebrates one of its musical pioneers, Owen Franklin George Count Owen Emmanuel, recipient of the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer for his contribution to the development of Jamaican popular music, ska, mento, and rocksteady. A master of rhythm, a showman, and a man whose music helped define the nation's sound.
Very young years, maybe about 4 years, I would watch the men dig in the street with the pickaxe, and like 5, 6 of them humming a song like, "Then away Jonah gone, oh, away gone, oh," and then they're coming down, you know, together with that rhythm and singing with that pickaxe rhythm. So as a little boy, I was really caught up with that. I said, this is interesting.
That childhood fascination with rhythm would shape a lifetime of musical exploration.
People would ask me, when you grow up, what would you like to do? And I would say, dig street. But it was really the rhythm of the music, you know, with the song and the pickaxe rhythm that really enchanted me. That rhythm stuck with me all along. And no wonder I became Jamaica's #1 mentor singer.
From those humble beginnings in Jonestown, he found his first audience on the radio.
I'd say career started at RJR, singing for Talent Parade. So you get a chance to be heard on the radio. and you love that. So you go from strength to strength, and you hold that Vera Jones Opportunity Hour at the theatre. So you have to face the audience, and you have to really put out your best to cope, because the contest. So those were good opportunities to perform.
Those opportunities opened the door to a career that would carry him through decades of musical evolution: mento, ska, rocksteady, and beyond.
I took a little trip to a little land, a land with lots of rum and banana. The sunlight always shining, that lovely land. But there I met my charming Louisa.
His first recording, Love in Sweet Jamaica, paid tribute to his mother, Louisa, the woman who inspired much of his life's melody. With a voice full of soul, Count Owen could fill any dance floor, even without a band.
I would snap my fingers and have people dancing with the singing and snap my fingers. That's all. And have a room full of dancers. And any occasion, they would come for me. Come from home. I'm relaxing. They come to me home. Come, something happening here. You have to come help us out. And once I hit the spot, I have people dancing, just snapping the fingers and have them dancing.
From the golden age of federal records to international tours, he became one of Jamaica's proudest musical ambassadors, with moments he may never forget.
I wound up signing a contract with Federal Records, which lasted for about 10 years. So we kept recording and recording. The ska, we touched every genre. We touched the mento, the ballad, the rocksteady. So we touched every genre.
Through it all, family kept him grounded, a constant source of love and strength.
I tell you, it would have been so much challenging hadn't it been for family relationship. Cherry had 2 younger sisters. And while she had to be in the classroom as a teacher, those were the younger sisters, so they would participate very, very, very carefully. So we could depend on them. People like Helena, I have to call her name, and people like Purity, who stood up for us while she is in the classroom, really made things very good for our family life.
Now, with his name inscribed among Jamaica's cultural greats, Count Owen receives the Order of Distinction Officer Class, a recognition of his decades of dedication to Jamaican music and heritage.
First of all, I thank God, and I feel very, very good about it. Having put in the work over these years, having performed over it, I think it's time that the award has come, and I feel very good about it. I thank God.
We're really honored. We're really excited for him and for the whole family because, you know, he's given so much to early music.
Right, and in addition to that, he's really put Jamaica on the map with his music. So really a giant of a pioneer.
He is a wonderful human being, great citizen of Jamaica, very patriotic, very generous, very kind, very loving, very jovial.
Long overdue, that's the first thing, but well deserved, you know.
It's just been wonderful just having him at the helm of our family and feeding our love of music.
You're all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please you.
Even now, the veteran entertainer looks ahead, his creative fire still burning bright.
I always feel that there is time for more, and there is time for more and more. So I always we look forward to doing a collaboration with my daughters, with the Manuel sisters, Sharon, Jackie, Judy, and I look forward to doing that very soon.
Just like the birds of a feather, we plan to stay together, together in love, moving together, forever in love.
So, how does Count Owen want to be remembered?
One humble, godly individual, blessed, talented, loving, love family, love children, love people, love God.
From the rhythm of a pickaxe in Jonestown to the rhythm of Jamaica's heart, Count Owen's legacy lives on, timeless, joyful, and deeply Jamaican.
Hi, hello. Yes, you. Come, make we talk. You see, what I want to know is what happened to some of the manners. You see, as a proud country girl with born and grow at St. Mary, I grow with manners and respect. I was taught to say, hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. So I don't know what happened to some of them make it seem like having common courtesy a bad something. What if you have drop down? You expect the man where you just walk past of it, turn around and help you? Have a little brought up some man. But on a serious note though, having manners and respect is more than just speaking words to people. It's a core pillar of Jamaican culture that's rooted deep in how our grandparents and older relatives raised us. It defines a person's character and implies more than just politeness. It proves that you were raised well, or you simply know better, so you do better. Good manners are free. Let us embrace being true Jamaicans by having good manners.
As we wrap today's edition of Jamaica Magazine, we hope you found these features informative and engaging. Let's stay connected through our website at jis.gov.jm and on social media. On behalf of the entire production team, I'm Adrian Atkinson. Stay safe and have yourselves a great weekend.
This has been a production of the Jamaica Information Service, the voice of Jamaica.